This guide will help you troubleshoot and resolve connection errors in Minecraft. Follow these steps to improve your gaming experience. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and functioning properly. You can do this by testing your connection speed or trying to access other websites. Step 2. Restart your router. Sometimes, simply restarting your router can resolve connectivity issues. Unplug your router, wait for about 30 seconds, and then plug it back in. Allow it to fully reboot before trying to connect again. Step 3. Update Minecraft. Make sure you are using the latest version of Minecraft. Open the launcher and check for any available updates. Download and install them to ensure compatibility and fix potential bugs. Step 4. Adjust firewall settings. Your firewall may be blocking Minecraft from accessing the internet. Go to your firewall settings and create an exception for Minecraft, allowing it to communicate freely. Step 5. Check server status. If you are trying to connect to a specific server, check its status online. Sometimes servers are down for maintenance or experiencing issues that prevent connections. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve connection errors in Minecraft. Happy gaming!